Hi and welcome to Pain Free with Oscar. Today I'm going to show you two corrective exercises to help rebalance the tension placed in the lower back from sitting at your desk and working over it, either looking at your screen at the computer or looking down at a microscope or your cutter, and using your arms repetitively that kind of pull the shoulder out of position, force the head out of position, therefore stressing all the muscles of the upper back, which then start to pull on the lower back down here. Okay, so the first exercise is called the elbow curls. So with this, you want to stand about hip width or 6 inches apart from the feet. Make sure the heels are up against the wall, and then you want your hips to touch the wall, knees in extension, shoulders pressed back, head against the wall, and chin leveled. Okay, from here curl the knuckles, place it right at the temple, and you want to get the elbows to touch together without the head and shoulders coming off the wall, as well as bringing it back and having it touch to the wall. So you want to get the full range of motion of this hinge joint in the arm and in the shoulder to help rebalance the tension, not only the muscles from the hands to the forearm, from the elbow to the shoulder, but also rebalances the muscles from the shoulder into the spine, and again from the shoulder into the sternum. Okay, so again, this exercise covers a lot of components into helping support the posture in the right place. And because you're forcing your body up against the wall, you're utilizing all these muscles on the anterior plane of the body to push back and strengthen itself to realign the spine back into the same position. So in this elbow curl exercise, again, you want to keep all those things in mind as you bring the elbows together and all the way back. Okay, so the next exercise is called the air bench. So because you sit for long periods of time, a lot of the times that we don't engage the legs and feet into a sitting position. And so what happens is the hip and the lower back take up all the work. And so you have that kind of stress on that part of the body. And then again, with the shoulders and head working over that, you're stressing a lot of components for all of this to do a lot of work if there's no stability here. So what we want to do is wake up those muscles in the legs and get into an air bench position again. Bring the feet to about 6 inches apart. You don't want them too wide, and you don't want them to be too narrow. You want it so that the feet, ankles, knees, and hips are in a aligned position. Okay, and then slide down through the wall into almost so that the top of the thigh is parallel to the floor, and that the feet are not exactly in a 90-degree position, but slightly an inch or two forward from that. Okay, so rest your hands here, squeeze the shoulder blades together, keep your head and shoulders and lower back touching the wall, and hold this for 1 minute. And again, we're trying to wake up the muscles of the feet, the ankles, the knees, and the hips to support the exercise so that we can strengthen this if you've been sitting for long periods of time. And then from here, come on up, and then walk around and see how that feels. And if you have any questions, you can check out our site, www.painfreewithoscar.com, and if you want more information, all of that will be on there. So thank you, and share this with your friends.